this automatic focus? No. Oh, look at it zoom! I also need to stop saying okay. 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 And so and M. Oh god. Hello. No, I'm not doing that. Ta-da! There'll probably be like a theme tune. Hello. Hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't film myself ever, in case you couldn't tell. Haha. I'm usually behind the camera, which is why this is such a show. Even saying show is a show. Ha. Swearing is very bad. Okay? Also watching South Park right now, so that was a... You can't get that, but that was like a really meta reference. Anyway, I'm filming because it's Halloween tomorrow. And if you don't know me, you will know that I am super into Halloween. I am in no shape or form a makeup artist, and whatever I'm about to do here is in no way a tutorial. Please do not do what I'm doing, or do, but you know, it's not, I'm not telling you to, basically. None of the, I don't get paid by any of these people because I'm not famous. So I'm not going to show you all my products because, to be honest, I can't be bothered and I'll forget, and you don't care. Well, if you do care, you can tell me, but I'm not a makeup tutorial person. This is a practice run for me filming more of my life because I'm going to be better at YouTube, probably. Hopefully, for my wonderful business, How to Hen. How to Hen is a hen planning website that will teach you how to hen. In case you don't know, a hen is a bachelorette party for the Americans and, well, anyone not from the UK. Moving on, I'm going to be doing crafting tutorials and stuff for How to Hen, so this seems like a good place to start. This is also the next part. Hi. My crafting videos are going to involve a lot of tasty beverage with fermented fruit and vegetables. Moving on. I don't know what to do with my face, but there's going to be a lot of stuff going on it. Starting now. Going. Music. This is my assistant. He's not very assisty. Helpful. Thank you, Alfie. Okay, I'm literally never going to put anything on my face. I also don't have my contact lenses in, so I can't see what I'm doing. Ha! Good idea. Should I wash my face? This is not the same. There are beauty gurus everywhere crying, is that a dry paper towel? Yes, yes it is. I'm just taking the oil off my face because I can't be bothered getting up again. Primer? Yes. This pretty much everywhere. That's how this works, right? Yeah. I've forgotten what I was saying already. Probably you're not meant to make this face when you're putting primer on. I think I'm just being a little bit aggressive and or over dramatic. I want to go for a few different looks. If I'm any good at editing, I will put them on the screen. What I've been looking at now. I can't remember how many I was going to put, so I don't know how long this bit's going to last. It's probably over now. First is the base. So normally I would do concealer first, but I've been watching on the YouTube IGTV. Don't forget about those guys. Multi-platform over here. Whoop, whoop. I'm going to put foundation on first because that is what the people who know how to do makeup seem to do. Just keep it little. Okay. Done. Do you like my look? Blending. So supposedly now I do the concealer quite a lot, I think. Well, when am I going to take this off? I'm going to blend this in now. I can't remember when I do the powder, but pale as a ghost. Not much change there then. That better not be something important. Half my life is just checking what the cat is eating. So, that is complicated. I'm not this good at makeup. It seems like a crucial time to realise that. Oh, that's the wrong colour. He is claiming the camera now. I'm just aggressive enough. Everything will blend eventually. Don't drink the paint water, Alfie. I'm scared. Okay, no, I just need to do it. This is why I'm practicing. Oh, scary. So very scary. A little bit at a time. From the tutorials that I've watched, this was the lesson they kept saying, is just a little bit at a time, because it will take a long time. Because I really have a long time now that it's midnight. That was trickier than expected.
Okay, your reminder is set for tomorrow at 2:56 a.m.
That's how long I'm going to be doing this. Smart. Ooh, I went quite extreme there. That's plenty pink, I think. I don't know what I'm doing. Face paint now. I'm just winging it now. Blue now? I'm just using the same sponge. I've just given up now. The question is, how do I blend this in now? Okay, it's blending a little bit. I'm definitely losing cheekbone here, but I'm hoping that when I put the black back in, it's gonna make a big difference. Can't forget the ears. At this point, I feel like I look a bit of a mess, but more blue, I think, will help. Doesn't really matter, I don't think, that I am blending blue and the black in together, the face paint, because I kind of want it to go a sort of navy colour anyway. Hopefully that's enough on there. Oh Lord, that's a cheekbone. Let's keep going though, yeah? Let's see what happens. I'm gonna put more blue in. Up in the hairline. Don't think about washing it, because you weren't going to. You were just going to put glitter in it and hope for the best. So that's what's happening. Blending is my new favourite thing. This bit I'm stressing about. I'm going to have to fill this in at some point. Chin strap. None of these are like what I'm doing. Just wing it, I guess. Just keep winging it. I'm also not cleaning my hands enough, so everything is getting hella mucky. Just dip them in the water glass. That seems like a sensible way to do it, so you don't have to get up to wash your hands. Yes. Efficiency. I don't know how to do it properly on my neck either, it would appear. So much mistakes being made. This is why we try things. I forgot my nose, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm not being neat anymore, I'm too tired. Well, that went well. Do I look like a unicorn yet? Let's make some fixes, shall we? I mean, this is a whole mess that I can't be bothered fixing. Whoops. Hydrate. I don't know if that helped. How am I going to do my eyes? This is much harder than the makeup people make it look. Neck, I think I'll just give up on for now and come back to tomorrow because I just can't. I can't. Don't know what I'm hoping this will solve. I'm starting to look more and more like a werewolf all the time. Ah, I didn't do the fake horn makeup. What a oh hey, it looks a little bit more like a unicorn with a horn there. The black is helping a little bit, I think. Why must I do this? Why must I make my life difficult? I could have gone as a Ghostbuster. My husband's going as a Ghostbuster. All of our friends are going as Ghostbusters. Do you want us to order you a group costume, Sherry? You can be a Ghostbuster? No, I want to be a unicorn. Why? Because I'm an asshole who likes to make my own life unreasonably difficult. I really don't have time for this. I have a business to launch. We're flying to Thailand tomorrow. No, Friday. I haven't packed. My suitcase is lying entirely empty. Instead, I'm practicing unicorn makeup at 1:45 in the morning. Yep. I definitely have my priorities all lined up. I am on the ball, productive. You want to know how to be a successful entrepreneur? Clearly, this is more important. I just keep going back to my neck. I'm like somehow trying to make it better. Try and do my eyes now. Blue on the corners. Let's try that. Hey, what is wrong with me? Don't question it. Don't go down that rabbit hole because then you might just cry all your makeup off. Stars and the glitter is going to make everything better. You heard me. Time to do some fun things, surely. Surely, fun stuff will keep me going. Ooh, sparkly. The first light and colourful thing we've done. I mean, you can't. Come on. So much pink is happening. What happens if I put this on top? Pretty things, I hope. Awe-inspiring, life-changing, outfit-making things. Not as promising as I would have hoped. Also, my eye's burning a little bit. That can be good news. I'm just gonna keep doing things and hope that it makes it better. Oh, look. Saddest thing that's happened. Highlighter. Yes. No, lips first. Black. In these photographs, the lips are all very light. Top lip is overdrawn. I must ask you a question. I've got this blue stuff, so I'm just guessing at things now. How does that look? Is this blending? Does that work? I need some more pink or something like. Like that. The first thing I've been excited about since it started. Not loving the eyes, but I'm gonna neaten up this bit, put some highlighter on, do the stars. Because I really can't be bothered doing anymore. Better? Worse? I mean, at this point, who gives a flying... Also, reminder, I've not worn my glasses for this whole time. Oh, I bet my horn broke. Why do I sound like a southern old unicorn? I tell you, you stop right there. I'm so sorry. Let's revert back to things that I know how to do, like my eyeliner and my mascara. The thing is, I don't want to do too much mascara because I know I've got to take it off. I don't have my actual eyeliner and layer of mascara on. Tell you what though, cheekbones. Cheekbones! Fun things now, more fun things. Highlight. This brush is too big. Now I just look like a unicorn who's been doing some things you shouldn't. Unfortunate substance abuse happening. Highlighter has made me super shiny! My chin is too shiny. But now the fun bit that hopefully does not end up looking like absolute crap. Because if it does, all of this will have been nothing for nothing. Constellations. So a lot of the videos that I watched had people like dotting individual stars. And while that would be a nice way to be precise, you may have noticed precision isn't my strong point. I like it. It's making everything better. Oh my god, I was so hoping it would make everything better. Oh. Spoke too soon. Down here? Is down here a thing? I mean, I just keep finding ways to ruin the neck, so I might as well. That's fine. That's plenty. That's plenty. I think the stars have definitely made it better. Now, do I ruin it by putting a little moon? Should we ruin it? Should we ruin it? Let's ruin it. Okay. I was debating doing like a big moon here. Whoop. Well, looks like I'm doing that now. This is really terrible. I'm gonna let that dry. I'll do a little one on my face somewhere. Question is where? Cheek? Cheek seems like a solid way to up. Tell you what though, they ran wrong when they said this is a look that gets worse before it gets better. Definitely should have spent more time on the neck and chest area now that there is a big old moon on it. What should I title this video? Like, girl who doesn't know how to face paint paints her face? Oh, it should be one of those like clickbaity titles like makeup artists cringe when they watch this girl, or people with talent are shocked by girl who rambles a lot and makes a mess of both her living room and her face. Do you know what? No, like I think I'm being too harsh here. Like by the time I put one of these bad boys on, like who's a unicorn? Who is that unicorn? Should I try just with the spirit gum? I need to hold it for a really long time. I don't think it's gonna work. Let's try. Now my plan was not to do this. The plan is to use, I've got some liquid latex, so I was gonna like build up around the horn like it had been like stuck into my head, and maybe use like a bit of fake blood even, and have it like run. But I really, what if I do that and it's terrible? Like what if I do that and I just ruin the whole thing? Okay, so holding this has not really achieved anything. It just goes a bit limp and sad, like. Is that not the saddest thing you've ever seen? What am I doing with my life? We've established nothing else is going to happen to my face. Thank you for watching whatever this turns out to be, if anyone does in fact watch it. And if this provided you with any sort of entertainment, then you can of course like it, because the whole point of this was to practice for making future videos, which I am going to be doing more regularly. So long as this isn't an absolute show. Also, I apologise for all of the cursing that I've had to bleep out. You can take the girl out of Glasgow, but you cannot take the foul language out of the girl, apparently. Should I do what the beauty people do, even though there's a big hole in my forehead now? Should I be like... I think I should have fake eyelashes on, or do it in slow-mo. I don't know how to do it. But hey, until next time.